Good morning, class 10th. Today we'll be looking at some questions from exercise 15.1 circles, and we'll be looking at some questions that will be helping you guys in solving your homework as well. The questions that we'll be doing in the video, please do those questions in your notebooks as well, okay? And please don't try copying it down because I don't really want you to complete your work, but I really want you to understand your work. So there's a big difference between understanding and completing your work. We'll start our work or our job or whatever you guys can say today from question number 11 onwards. Question number 11 says O is the circumcenter of a triangle ABC and D is the midpoint of BC. Prove that angle BOD equals to angle A. This is what I have to prove. Now, if you guys have a look over here, I don't have a figure in this question. So the very first thing I'm going to draw a figure. How to draw a figure? There's a circle. Inside the circle, there is a triangle. Name of the triangle is ABC. And BC का midpoint है. BC का midpoint है. D is the midpoint of B. So this is equals to this. We know that. Okay, what else do we know? So if this is the center O, I'm putting this center as O. Now if I draw a line from here like that, and it's going to go through the center. So what can I say in this, or what can I prove in this, that if I draw a line like this, you guys can have a look, line like this, I will be proving in triangle BOD and triangle DOC. I'll be proving both the triangle concurrent. How do I prove both the triangle concurrent? There are three ways or three proofs that I need to prove in order to prove them both the triangles are concurrent. First is OB equals to OC. And the reason for that is it's the radius. And the second one is OD equals to OD. It's common in both the triangle, isn't it? And the third one is BD equals to DC. It's given that D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. Okay, so let's have a look over here now. If I prove that triangle BOD is concurrent to triangle COD, then it's very simple for me. Now if I have a look at this, what I need to prove, I need to prove that angle BOD, this angle is equals to angle A, total of angle A. So what I'll do, I know one theorem, and that is a very basic theorem that we did discuss in this exercise, and that is the very first theorem. If you guys see, I'm writing angle BOC is equals to twice of angle BAC. Do you guys all agree with me or not? And the reason is theorem 1, that you don't have to write theorem 1, you have to write, I'm sorry for that, you have to write angle suspended in the center is double of angle suspended on the circumference. Okay, so what I have written in reason, angle suspended in the center by a chord or by a arc is, and the same arc जब suspend करती है circumference से, that this angle is going to be double of this angle. So I have written BOC is going to be double of this angle. Now you know what, because these two triangles were concurrent, I can write angle BOD is equals to angle DOC. Can I write this by CPCT rule? I can write this angle is equals to this angle. Now BOC जो ये एंगल है, मैं इसके जगह दो एंगल और लिखूंगा, एंड व्हाट आर द टू एंगल्स, एंगल BOD प्लस एंगल DOC. सो मैंने इसको ब्रेक करके लिख दिया और इसको ऐसे ही लिख दिया, एंगल टू एंगल BAC. इज दैट ओके? नाउ इफ यू गाइस हैव अ लुक ओवर हियर, BOC को मैंने ब्रेक करके कैसे लिखा, BOD आप ध्यान से देख सकते हो, BOD एंड DOC, दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल पूरा क्या बनाता है, BOC. अब आपको पता है BOD और DOC इक्वल है, यहाँ देखो BOD और DOC इक्वल है, क्योंकि हमने इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को कॉन्करेंट प्रूव करा था. तो मैं इन दोनों की जगह एक ही ट्राइंगल लिख सकता हूँ, दैट इज BOD प्लस एंगल BOD बिकॉज डी ओ सी भी किसके बराबर है, डी ओ सी बी ओ डी के बराबर ही है, तो टू एंगल बी ए सी. नाउ इफ यू हैव अ लुक, बोथ ऑफ देम कैन बी एडेड, सो टू एंगल बी ओ डी is equals to 2 angle BAC. You can see on both the side there is 2 can be cancelled out, and what is left with me, angle BOD is equals to angle BAC, and this is what I have to prove. This you can also write angle A simply. BAC अगर आप नोटिस करोगे आप एंगल A भी लिख सकते हैं, and this is what I had to prove, hence proved. Okay, so when the diagrams are not given to you, you need to make sure that you make the diagram, and the diagram should be correct. If you haven't made the diagram correct, then whatever you're going to do, it's going to be totally wrong. So if I'm a teacher, I'm going to first have a look at the diagram, and why would I waste your time looking, why would I waste my time looking at the solution when the diagram itself is wrong? So I'll just see the diagram. If the diagram is wrong, I'll just put a cross mark over here. So just keep that in mind, okay, that what you have to put or how you have to make the diagram. Okay, let's have a look at question number 13. Question number 13 goes something like this. AB is the diameter. You guys can see AB is the diameter. That is very, very good. AB is the diameter. AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. Sorry, perpendicular on a line PQ. ये PQ line जा रही है, and AC and DE are perpendicular. Okay, or BD, this whole line is perpendicular, making 90 degree with PQ. That I know. And they are meeting at the circle at E. जो ये BD line है E पे मिल रही है ये. Prove that AC is equals to ED. I have to prove AC equals to ED. This is what I have to prove. Now you might be thinking how to prove, sir. AC and ED कैसे prove कर सकते हैं हम? But you know what? If I draw a line like this. Now if I am able to prove AEDC is a parallelogram or it's a rectangle, then it's easy for me to say कि अगर ये मैंने rectangle prove कर दिया तो मेरे लिए easy हो जाएगा ये prove करना कि AEDC के opposite sides are equal because it's a rectangle. So the very first thing I have to prove that AEDC is a rectangle or a square, whatever, or a parallelogram simply. So let's have a look, but the very first thing I'll be looking at is in triangle ABE. Can you guys all have a look in triangle ABE? I hope you guys are all able to see ABE. If you have a look, ABE, AB is a diameter and this angle is being made. So can you see this is 90 degree? If you guys see very carefully, this is 90 degree, isn't it? And if this is 90 degree, AEB, angle AEB is equals to 90 degree. And the reason is angle made on a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, angle in a semicircle, that is the reason why this is 90 degree. Now अगर मुझे ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो can we find this angle also? So I'll be writing angle AEB plus angle AED, मतलब this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degree, and the reason is straight line. कौन सी straight line है? BD is a straight line. So AED I already know 90, and I have to find AED, isn't it? Equals to 180 degree. 90 goes on that side, so AED equals to 180 minus 90. That's going to be angle AED is equals to 90. तो मुझे क्या पता लग गया कि भाई ये वाला भी 90 है मेरे पास. अब आपको पता है ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है AEDC, तो मुझे ये पता ही नहीं, ये 90 ये 90 ये 90 है, तो ये कितना आएगा आपके पास? तो आपके पास जब आप सॉल्व करोगे, क्वाड्रिलेटरल का सम 360 होता है. सो इफ यू पुट दैट एंगल CAE प्लस एंगल AED प्लस एंगल EDC प्लस एंगल DCA इक्वल्स टू 360. क्यों? क्योंकि दिस आर ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल AEDC. ये कौन से क्वाड्रिलेटरल के एंगल है? AEDC. मुझे सब पता है इनमें, बस ये नहीं पता, CAE नहीं पता मुझे. प्लस दिस इज 90, दिस इज 90, दिस इज 90 equals to 360, and CAE is going to be 360 minus 270. And how did 270? This you can add, you'll get 270, and when you subtract, angle CAE is equals to 90 आएगा. तो आपको पता लग गया कि भाई ये एंगल जो ये फिगर है AEDC, ये सारे एंगल इसके 90 डिग्री है. अब सारे एंगल 90 डिग्री कौन कौन से फिगर्स में होते हैं? या तो स्क्वायर में होते हैं या फिर रेक्टेंगल में होते हैं। पर अगर दोनों में देखा जाए ऑपोजिट साइड्स तो इक्वल होती है, बिकॉज दिस ए ई डी सी is a square or it can be a rectangle because all the angles are 90 degree. So I can say opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides मतलब AC is equals to DE. Hence proved. And this is what I had to prove. Okay, you guys can pause the video if you want and go through the video again and again and again and again until you understand. But I promise you guys, if you guys just go through the basics of these questions, you'll be able to understand. Okay, let's have a look in question number 17th A part. So there's a whole lot of question written. I haven't written the whole question. Question number 17th A part says, in the figure, you know, this CD is intersecting AB at E, ये दे रखा है, और then first part is given, prove that triangles ADE, can you guys see triangle ADE, this triangle, and CBE, this triangle is similar. It's very interesting because this chapter, the circle chapter, now they are combining with similarities of triangle, which is very, very interesting for me. So I have to prove that ADE is similar to triangle CBE. If I'm able to prove that, then I'll be able to prove anything. Now, to prove similar, I need to have two things. You all know that. And the very first two things is, I can either prove angles. So, but I know one thing, that this angle is equals to this angle. This is a very basic thing. In दोनों triangle को अगर similar prove करना है, so I can say angle AED is equals to angle CEB, and the reason is vertically opposite angle. ठीक है? So this angle is equals to this vertically opposite angle. Now one more thing I have to find. Can you tell me what is the second thing? Think about it. You guys have time. Time of 40 years and 80 years. Okay, so second point is going to be that this angle is being made on the same arc, and this angle is also being made on the same arc. So what can I say? Angle ADE is equals to angle CBE, and the reason is they are being made on the same arc AC. Angle in the same segment, you can write angle in the same segment. Okay, if angles are in the same segment, they are equal. So both the angles are equal. So I can show that angle A is equals to angle C. Angle B is equals similar to angle D, and angle E is similar to angle E. So what can I write? That ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Is that okay? So I have proved the two triangles are similar. After proving both the triangles are similar, what I can do is I can put them AB upon CD is equals to BE upon DE equals to AE upon CE. Now the problem is they have given in the second part, the first part has been proved. यहाँ तक first part था, and the second part starts from here. When I have written this, they have given me some points like DC. They have given DC, I'll be writing it down. DC is 12. AB is given, no, AB is not given, so I'll write just AB equals to DE they have given me, that is 4, and also what else they have given? So BC they haven't given me, equals to AE they have given 16, and this is not given, CE is not given. Okay, CE is not given to me. So what mistake did I do over here? So this is wrong. I'm sorry about this. This part is wrong for me because I have made a mistake over here. And why did the mistake come over here? Because of this. So I'll tell you, angle A is similar to angle C. First thing. Second thing is going to be angle D. Angle D is similar to angle B. So over here I wrote angle B is similar to D. तो B या D और D और B डिफरेंट है क्योंकि मैं इस वाले ट्राइंगल का पहले लिख रहा हूँ. एंड एंगल E is similar to angle E. Okay, after this I can write angle ADE is similar to triangle CBE, and then I can write AD upon CB equals to DE upon BE equals to AE upon CE. Now I can put the values, isn't it? So what are the values given? DC is given. Where is DC? DC. So DC's total is given 12. Total DC is given 12. DE, D से लेके E तक मुझे given है 4. So CE कितना होगा? अगर ये 4 है तो ये 8 होगा because this whole is 12, है ना? And A is given 16. So now I can look from here and just write it down. So what are the values given? DE is given to me. DE is 4 and BE I don't have, and AE is 16 and CE is 8. Okay, that's it. I have to find. So when I wrote down all the values, the only thing I have to find is BE. BE can be shifted on the other side. So 4 into 8 upon 16 equals to BE, and I can cancel 8 ones are 8, 8 was 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 2 are. So BE is 2 centimeter. Okay, so that's how you figure these things out. Okay, B is 2 centimeter. Okay, let's have a look at question number 19. I haven't written the full question, but I know that we have to find the perimeter of the cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral क्या होता है? जो एक quadrilateral बने और वो पूरे सर्कमफेरेंस को टच करे, चारों एंगल्स, इस चारों पॉइंट्स या वर्टिसेस. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ पी क्यू आर एस का मुझे पेरीमीटर ढूंढना है. आई नो पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? लेंथ ऑफ टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री, दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस प्लस दिस, बट आई डोंट हैव दिस. I have to find this. So what I'll be doing, I'll be looking in triangle first. Which triangle I'll be looking in? I'll be looking in triangle PQR. PQR is a right angle triangle because this is right angle 90 degree. You know that it's in a semicircle. So I'll say 7 ka square plus 6 ka square plus equals to PR ka square. 7 ka square is 49. 6 6 are 36 equals to PR ka square. Okay, and when I add both of them, I'll be getting 7 7 is 49, 6 is 5 and 15 8 85 PR square. But I need to find the square root of this also. So 85 PR. Now finding square root is quite easy because you can just figure out the prime factorization. So 5 ones are, and what's carried over there? That is 3 sevens are. 5 sevens are 35 and 17 ones are 17. So there is no 85 ऐसे ही रहेगा. Now I'll see in triangle PSR. PSR is also right angle triangle because the angle is being formed over here. Can you guys see? So this is right angle triangle. So what I'll be writing? PS का square plus SR का square equals to PR का square. Now PR I already know. PR कितना है या फिर PR का स्क्वायर कितना है? 85. I'll just write it down like that. PR स्क्वायर 85 है. Okay. SR is 2 and 2 का स्क्वायर कर देंगे and I don't have PS स्क्वायर. So what I'll do, 85 minus 4, ये 4 बन के उधर आ जाएगा और PS स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. तो कितना बचा मेरे पास? 81. तो PS ऐसे रह जाएगा और स्क्वायर रूट उधर चल जाएगा. तो PS कितना आ जाएगा आपके पास? 9. तो आपके पास ये आ गया. Now how to find the perimeter? This plus this plus this plus this equals to, that's your answer. So 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 plus 6, that is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. So 24 centimeter is the perimeter of the cyclic quadrilateral. That's how you have to find. Okay. So I hope you guys got it. And thanks so much for watching this video, and taking out time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, or you also did understood the questions that I did for you in this video. Have a great day, everyone. Take care of yourself.